Hi all, this is Ellen from EGI Designs. Welcome to my channel. I just made a card for my daughter for National Honor Society, and I needed to make an envelope for it, so I thought I would show you how I can make envelopes on the 123 punch board. This card is a 5.5 by 5.5 square card, so we will need to have a piece of paper that works for this size. What I use is a calculator that's online. It's at crafterskey.blogspot.com, and I can put the link down there. But basically it will give you the size papers that you need to make an envelope. So I have a multi-layered card. I had foam tape on there, so it's a little bit thicker. And then you put in how big the card is, and then down here you see the paper size is 9 inches and the score line is 4.5. So what I've done is I have cut the piece of paper that I wanted to use to 9-inch square. So what you do is you open it up and extend the arm, and so on the calculation it said that the score line is 4.5. So you put the edge of the paper over here at 4.5 and you punch that, and then I like to use the Cricut scoring tool as my scoring tool, and what you're going to do is you're going to go down and score down this line here, and it lines up with the little notch there. So then you turn it, and since this is a square, each one will be the same, 4.5. If you had an A2 card, this might be a little bit off, so you can feel right here there's a groove, so you feel where it kind of catches the score line, and that's how you know that it's in the right spot for the next one. So you punch and you score, and you punch and score, and punch and score. Okay, so that is done. And then what I like to do on here is they have a corner rounder. Okay. So we're all set with the punch board. We'll get that out of the way. So this is what it looks like after you've done all of that. So then you would turn it over, and you want to start folding in the score lines and using your bone folder to crease the lines. Okay. So then we have to secure the bottom. So what I like to do, a square is a little bit different because they do overlap. So in this case, what we can do is take a little piece . Okay. And then, so we're going to be folding this up. So you can use tape runner or double-sided tape or whatever you want to use for your adhesive. Okay, then you just kind of fold that up. I like to burnish it with the bone folder. And then on the top flap, I like to use a little bit thinner tape. The other one was 3/8 and this one is a quarter. Okay. So, and when you're going to mail this or give it, you put the card in there and then peel off the tape and seal it, and then you are good to go. So this is the card and the envelope, and after I'm done, I'll seal it up and give it. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day, and till next time, bye-bye.